Good afternoon, I'm Arifan Jidi.
And I am Muhammad. The headline for our today's news is
Noise pollution, future development current suffering.
Robert Deci once said that all of the varieties of modern pollutions, noise is the most insidious. So, what is the noise pollution?
Okay, to be clear, any sounds that disturb you are a noise pollution. The majority of power tools and their process create excessive noise level which is left unmanaged and uncontrolled can cause hearing damage without you even realizing it. Equipment such as chop saws, SDS drill, breaker drills, impact drivers, it is all create excessive noise level which will causing hearing damage. According to the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, or NIOSH, 22 million workers are exposed to potential damaging noise each year.
The problem with noise is if you are constantly exposed to it on a daily basis, you become accustomed to it. You think the noise levels are okay when in fact you'll be suffering hearing damage.
Moreover, the construction site in a nearby residential area will disturb the peace of the community in the back. For the report, we leave to our reporter at the site.
Thanks to my fellow co-workers at the studio. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Adi bin Murhan. Currently, I am one of the most wanted upcoming LRT 3 station located at Section 7 Shah Alam. This station is in between UiTM Shah Alam and ICT Centre, where there's many residential houses, shop lots, school and hospital Shah Alam in its surrounding. Some of the causes of construction noises come from heavy vehicles and earth-moving equipment such as dozers, tractors, lorries, piling works, construction of viaduct and elevated station, and the use of high noise generating machineries such as diesel generator sets, which are often the highest continuous noise sources in its construction site. Noise from construction activities shall comply with the recommended noise limit as stipulated in noise guidelines by noise limits and controlled by Department of Environment. It is inevitable there is issue regarding the noise affecting the nearby residential, commercial and public facilities in close proximity to the construction site. It's a clip of interview session with local community nearby.
Alright. Thank you from our fellow reporter at the site location. My name is Said Muhammad Naim. I'm currently at the nearby local residence, and here there is a local resident that I will interview. Alright, so Encik Iman Rahan, yes. How long have you been living here?
So I've been living here about 4 months since the start of the semester, and I live right over there. As you can see, the window with the curtain.
How long have you been through this noise pollution from the construction site?
So since I've been living here for about 4 months, I've been receiving this lot of noise pollution since I've been living here. So about 4 months.
Okay. Alright. Is there any effect on regarding to the noise pollution?
So the construction is working 24 hours a day. So it's been like also during the nights, the plant and machinery is still working. So it is hard for me and my housemate to sleep during at night. So it is really a huge problem for me.
Okay, final question. What is your hoping regarding to this issue that currently facing?
So I hope that the production finish early the new year as soon as possible, so I can continue with my life with ease.
Alright, thank you Encik Iman Rahan. So then I hope you guys understand what the local residents are currently facing right now. So thank you from me.
So there you go, the clip about our issue. Assalamualaikum, my name is Mudrika Animan, and now I want to talk about ways to overcome the problem. So according to this site, people can't argue because it is a limited space to prevent the noise pollution. So there are a few ways to reduce or overcome this problem affected the surrounding. So we will go into deeper to this issue. If we focus on the site administrative control on the site. Firstly, they need to play their role to set a time limit and make a systematic schedule of work for workers to carry out the work on site. With this, people that live around the area will not be disturbed during their time at home or during the free time. And then during the construction being carried out, the machines that are not being used need to be shut or turned off. As a result, the noise can be reduced by just operating equipment that can produce loud noise. And lastly, adding noise barrier on the site. For example, the machine or equipment that will make loud noise such as jackhammer and saws. So add some extra barriers to the area that carry out that particular process of work will reduce or prevent the issues from recurring. So that's all from me, and we will be back to the studio and stay tuned.
Construction sites are inherently noisy, and they are one of the most frequent source of noise pollution on the planet. Heavy machinery, power tools, schools of people, and the necessary radio result in a chorus of noise for most of the day, sometimes at extremely loud levels.
Environmental noise pollution is recognized as a major problem for the deterioration of the quality of life in urban areas. Noise emission especially come from light rail transit LRT lines, affects daily activities, and can lead to a range of health disorders such as cardiovascular problems and poor task performance.
Thank you so much for watching. I am Muhammad Hafiz.
And I, Arif Didi, reporting for DDC News.